Well, 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 look who's back for another round of sauce-fueled obsession. That's right, it's time for another episode of Cut the Mustard, the show that's here to indulge your insatiable hunger for all things condiment-related. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of ranch dressing, because we know you just can't get enough of that creamy, tangy goodness. So get ready to have your minds blown with all the fascinating history, ingredients, and quirky facts about the one dressing that rules them all. Sit back, pop open that pizza box, and get ready to dip your crust into this creamy episode. Let's start at the beginning. Ranch dressing was first concocted in the 1950s by a plumber-turned-cowboy from Nebraska. Legend has it that Steve Henson mixed buttermilk, garlic, and herbs to create a tangy, delicious dressing for his guests. Soon enough, the ranch dressing craze began to spread and it quickly became the not-so-hidden valley. So, why did ranch dressing become so popular? Well, besides being absolutely delicious, it's also incredibly versatile. You can dip anything from veggies to pizza crusts into this stuff, and it's guaranteed to make your taste buds sing. Plus, it's easy to make at home, so you can whip up a batch whenever you're feeling snacky. Now, let's talk ingredients. While the classic ranch dressing recipe calls for buttermilk, garlic, and herbs, there are countless variations out there. Some people add in extra spices like cayenne pepper or paprika, while others like to use yogurt instead of buttermilk. And don't even get us started on the bottled versions. Some are good, some are bad, and some are just downright weird. But did you know this about ranch dressing? There's a solution out there for the times you're really thirsty for ranch dressing, and that's Lester's Fixin's Ranch Dressing Soda. Go ahead, diehards, give it a try. For the rest of us, we're feeling a bit queasy. That's it for today's episode of Cut the Mustard. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, the next time you're munching on a ranch dressing-soaked carrot stick or dipping your pizza crust, give thanks to old Steve Henson and his genius invention. As always, keep on dipping, my friends.